Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to search through on a PDF document on an iPhone. So to start, we'll have to go first on the files of my phone. Let's click on the sample document and then at the bottom, click on the search bar. And then here you can type the words that you want to search through on this sample document. So now let's type a word or even a letter. And then at the right side of the search bar, you'll see the amount of words or letters that you can find here on the sample document. So that's how easy you can search through on a PDF document or a document on an iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.